I'm great at this.
Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I have a box. Tune into the next video to see what's inside. Just kidding, we can open it now. But yeah, I have a mystery box, and I have no idea what's in here. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this box weighs like 400 pounds. What the heck is this? It says morph board. One board, countless options. So this was sent to me from Jakks toys, and I'm really excited to check it out. So here's the front of the box. This is very big. And then it says like it can be a scooter, a skateboard, a bounce thing, and a bounce. So here's what it comes with. So we're gonna put this together and then we'll meet you guys outside. Okay, so my morph board only comes with the skate and the scoot, but you can buy the bounce and the balance separate. So I'm going to be doing the skate first. So you take it and you flip it over, and then you get your wheels, and there's like a little spot here. So you put the little metal piece in right there, and you just turn it until it clicks. So then you just do the same thing with your other wheel. Okay, so it's actually so easy you guys can do it yourself, which is really helpful. So the one thing is, I'm not the most coordinated person, but I'm going to try my best. So let's get riding. I will not fall in the pool in the making of this video. So you've got to start classic, you know? It actually rolls really nicely. Wow! Okay. So yeah, the skateboard works really well. And yeah, now we're gonna put on the scooter. So to take the wheels off, you just push back the yellow tab. And then you just twist the same way you twisted the first time to get it on. And then here are the wheels for the scoot. So you're basically just going to do the same thing you did for the skate. Once you have the wheels on, you take the handlebars and stick it in here. Now we can ride the scooter. Oh, it's hard to turn it. Hello. Oh, there's a brake. I didn't even know that. Hey, the brake actually works really well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like the scoot or the skate. I'll have all of Jakks toys links down below if you would like to purchase one of these amazing babies. Thank you.